Okay guys, we just got out of school. We're gonna drop Jenny off at Tommy's house. And then we're heading to Hi-Ho, con los chicos. It's approximately like 10 degrees outside. Spent about 4 hours scraping ice off Tommy's windshield. Looks like it's kind of looks like it's 6 p.m. right now. Actually, noon. Ahaha. Until we get to Hi-Ho, see you guys.
So it's currently 12:14. I'm at my house. I just dropped my sister off, and there's Todd. We're gonna get at Hi-Ho with some friends.
Take two.
Yeah. Hey, yo, we did our good deed of the day.
Yes, we pushed a car that needed pushing.
You can have a nice car, but you need a backup car. That's all-wheel drive. North Dakota is not nice. So I just dropped Ton off. So it was worse earlier. It's like the calm of the storm right now. Later we're gonna get wrecked, and it's supposed to last until Monday. Hopefully it's not that bad, but we'll see. They canceled my work in my school, so I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be bad. All right, I'm gonna go to Nathan's, and we're gonna hang for a bit. I don't know what we're gonna do, but they're gonna have a party at Kyla's house tonight, just like a sleepover because it's a blizzard party. I don't know. I can't go to it, but yeah, I'm supposed to be home early because it's gonna get really dangerous to drive later. So we'll see you guys at Nathan's house. Oh, I want Norman.
You do? Well, he wants you.
Hi Norman. What's up, buddy?
Look how cute Norman is.
Hey, Norman.
He can't, the energy he contains can't contain in his body. It doesn't work. So he has to like jump all around.
He's like a little brown lump.
Come here. Oh, Norman is so cute. He's so cute. Norman is so cute.
Norman used to do that more when he was a puppy.
Really?
Just circle, circle, circle. Yeah. Hi, baby.
Without the light, it's just so oddly placed. Like.
Are you sniffing my foot?
Yep, it looks like a kangaroo.
It's so cute.
Why does she remove
Tear it all out.
inside?
She's a monster. Now she's done.
She killed it.
Ruined.
Sadness.
Time to play some poker.
In a chair. This is why I have these two.
Geo folds as
You
well.
signed it with the Kavorka Master.
Wait, Claire.
Claire, 50.
Ass.
Fold.
Oh boy.
Fold.
Oily.
Make sure you can see the cards, my bad.
Bad.
Put in 25.
Oh, F.
25. Nathan, 25. Do not cut your hair.
We're switching back to poker, Texas Hold'em. We were playing blackjack, and I lost most money than I had before. Dalton's here now, and we're just conversating.
Like, what else?
Look at
No
that.
cameras in this house.
Look at that petal mustache.
Nick,
Mustache.
those are yours.
No.
Yeah.
How many 25?
Like.
Hey, look at that.
You hit me, I'm killing you.
Shoot.
Nick.
I need to use the restroom, but we just finished playing poker and Texas Hold'em, so
What?
yeah.
You want to go?
Now we're gonna
now?
put some weed,
No, definitely.
Oh, okay.
Hey, can you get your switch?
and they're gonna go to Carlos later, I think, for a sleepover.
Nathan, move. I don't like it.
I keep forgetting which one I have. Haha. Poopy.
Why is it perfect?
You know what to do.
Where?
My lap.
Put the camera away.
I have all the infinity.
I never ended yesterday's vlog. Town ordered Deke's Pizza, and he's like partnered
Yes,
with them, so he has like $400 worth of like gift cards. Had. He has like $100 left now. I never had Deke's Pizza, so I work at Joe's, and I like Joe's, and it's amazing. Or Blaze. Blaze is really good too. But that's the only kind of pizza I really like. Tom wants me to help him with his video since he's partnered. He has to like promote it. So we're gonna record that process. He said that, not me. You know, I'd be happy to be sponsored by Happy Joe's, or like partnership. You know, that'd be cool.
I think you'd be happy being sponsored by anyone.
Oh yeah, that's true. Sponsored by anyone, that like, you know, yeah. But like, especially by Happy Joe's, you know.
Well, thank you for this.
So he wants to do it so that when you open it up, like you're opening like treasure, so it's like gold. So we need it we should have it like almost completely dark. And then that is amazing. Not as good as Happy Joe's or Blaze, but definitely better than Domino's. So
Anything's better than Domino's.
I'd say this is like third on my pizza list. But it is kind of expensive for what it gives and like the quality it is. Okay, now I'm on my way to B-dubs.
Alright, see ya.
Now I'm shaving my legs and I'm getting ready to go.
I'm shaving my legs. On my way.